Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to understand how we can use the real clock time in INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will create a program. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. How we can use this real clock instruction? Here you can see in the instruction tree that the real clock time instruction. Here you can see this TRD read real time clock instruction, TWR write real clock instruction, addition, subtraction and hour timing. How we can use this commands? So in the simple words we will just understand first. This is the first input for an example. LD SM0 I will type, sorry, LD SM0, and next we will be type some data registers. That data registers, what type of data registers I will show you. In the INVT PLC there is some special data registers which is used for the time and year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds and this week reads. These numbers are, you can take the screenshot and save these numbers. This is SD100 used for the year and SD101 is used for the months and SD102 is used for the day and SD103 used for the hours and SD104 is used for the minutes and SD105 is used for the seconds. SD106 is used for the week. So we will just use in the PLC. First I will show you this all datas. We have to be use just only move command. When we type MOV and SD100, first we will choose this our move SD100, sorry, D10 data register, because we have to remove some data register, otherwise this will be not accept. And in the next row this we will make it copy, Control C, and here we will make the Control V, Control V, Control V, and 1 2 3 4 5 one more V. This 6 commands will be used and this will be just change the datas. This is 101 and this is we will take for the 15 and this one data we will be choose 102 for 20 and this one we will be choose for the 103 and D25 and this one we will take the 104 in the D30 and this one we will be take the 105 and this one we will be take the 35 and this one we will be one more take Control C and Control V and this will be we will be type 106 and this is we will take in the D14 and this we will be type into the download into the PLC. And our PLC power is off. I will make it power on and again we will try to download the PLC and now it will be possible to download and click yes and go to the monitor and you can see this is the 2026 is automatically reads this data register D10 from the SD100, and month is which is running, this is the 3 month. Here you can see the clock. I will show you this clear all. This is our clock. Something I would have a little problem with the PC maybe. Here you can see this is the 11:33 25 3 2026. This you can see 2026 is the first SD100 data register reads this time, and second this 25, this is you can in the third data, this D20 coming in the 25, and this 3 you can see this is the month, and here this is the 23, you can see this is the 11:33 time. 11 means this is 23 means this is the English time. When this is see in the 12 hours format, after it will be show the 11, and this is the 34, you can see this is now 34 minutes, and this is now running the seconds. SD105 is running in the seconds, 12 13, this is 60 after resets, and this is the now running the day. You can see this is the 3, and if this values will be not available in the format, you can specially simply go into the set time. Sorry, not set time, you have to be go to the PLC, and after you have to be go to the PLC clock, click it on the PLC clock, and after this format will be open. This you can see PLC time, and this is now hours 26 and 3 months. This one is 34 minutes 25, and if this is not accurate this values, you can make the set time. When you click it on this one, this will be automatically PLC, and your PC will be match this time. And now how you can use this time, date, months in the PLC. An example with a simple example, if you like to make it on or off your water pump for some garden or lights, street lights like to be make it on off. So how you can use this commands, this real clock time, how you can use. It's very simple and easy method. You can just make it here one program, LD SM0. This is your main. Sorry, you have to be go to the first debug. We will make it the online edit because of not waste our time. LD SM0, and I will just for the example we will use this the seconds and minutes. D30 we will use. LD when greater than D30. Next also we choose the data register D50 for an example. So we will make it output on an example out Y0. It's very simple and easy method. Now this is we define it here, D50 when greater than D30, after our Y0 needs to be on. For an example, here is the 36 minutes now running. Here also in our PC is 36 minutes running and 27 seconds. We will define it here D0. 37 for example we will be choose and click enter. Now as this 37 will be completed, this I think so this D50 we have to be right before it here. D30 is when greater than D50, our output needs to be on. We will download first, we'll check this one easily, no problem. You can see no, this is the greater than 37, outputs need to be on. So one thing we have to be make it changes, D50, and here we will type the D30. 30. Now this is our running. Yeah, D30 is the minutes, right? Again we will be download into the PLC. 37 greater than. No, it's wrong. We have to be like write D30 D50, and again we will be write into the PLC, no problem. And here we will be type, this is the 38 minutes. You can see now it's on, but I will make it here 39, no problem, and click OK. And you can see now it's off, and now time is running. This is at the D30. I have 38 minutes now running, but as when this 38 minutes, here we decide 39 minutes, when at the 39 minutes our Y0 needs to be on, and here is 38 now running, but as this will be greater than 38, this 39, this the D30 data, after our Y0 will be on. Wait for a 1 minute. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. As this value will be completed with the 39 and 1 maybe second extra, after you will be see this Y0 will be on. You can see this is now 39, but we can make it one changes here, because of we are using only greater than, we have to be greater than or equal, we will type, no problem, and after you will be see the result. This commands you can simply use. If you like to be only just greater than, after this time will be 39, 40 minutes after it will be on. But if we use this greater than or equal command, after this will be continuously on when 39 completed, and after this is 1 minute completed, your Y0 will be off. You will be see for some seconds, 51, 52. As this 40 will be completed, this will be stop. Now see, here is the 40 is completed, and here is our 39 minutes. We decide (40) are greater than 40. 29, 30, 31. We have to be wait for the 30 seconds. Dummy value also I can give it here, no problem, but dummy values will be maybe you not understand. And same if you all data registers when you like to be compare from the D10, D15, D20, D25, D30, D35 and D40, all when you will be compare will be can decide by the year also. After 1 year, if you like to be make one on or off some bit, you can make it on off. This is why not off, because of we use this command greater than or equal, means we only needs to be equal command needs here. Sorry, this command we made wrong, we have to be make it only for equal. Again we will be download, and after you will be see this will be off. Sorry, it's not change. Enter first have to be make, after you will be put download. If not enter the command in the online editing mode, it will be not work. Now you can see it's now off, because of we decided here only equal command. When we again this like to be change the value, for an example this is the 42, I will type it here 43, not here, here I have to 43. As I enter this 43, and this value will be completed when equal with 42, equal with 43, after your output will be on for the 1 minute for the 60 second, as another will be cycle completed, after it will be off. Same as you can use this also you can make it compare, this also you can make it compare, any you can make it complete here. If I make this all, video will be go too much lengthy. Now you can see our output is now on, but it will be how much time for the 1 minute, means 60 seconds will be on, and after on means this may be your pump, water pump you like to make it in the gardening, giving the water. After you can design this program for the real clock time. So hope guys you will be understand about this real clock time, how we can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.